Today we're going to install a shower screen for a walk-in shower with an open front. It consists of 3 sections: an aluminium channel which attaches to the wall, a glass panel and a support bar which fits over the top. The first step is to attach the channel to the wall. Set the channel in position and ensure that it's square with the spirit level. Mark the hole points on the wall. Using a pipe detector, check the wall to ensure that you're not going to drill into a water pipe inside the wall. Now drill the holes into the wall for the wall plugs and screws. Insert the wall plugs. Now position the channel and insert the screws. In this case we have a 4-screw channel. Yours may be different. Work according to your manufacturer's instructions. Now we're ready to bring in the glass. If you have glass grips like these, attach them to the glass. Be very careful when handling the glass, as it could shatter if handled incorrectly. Ask for advice from the dealer when you buy the unit. Now slide the aluminium strip on the side of the glass into the channel. Push it in until it touches the back of the channel. Using a drill with a metal bit, drill a hole at the top of the channel and insert the supplied screw. The machine that we're using is an impact driver. It's not a hammer drill. Don't use a drill set to the hammer function for this stage. A second screw is fitted to the bottom of the unit to secure the glass to the wall. A floor bracket secures the shower glass to the floor. The tiles in this bathroom are made of porcelain, which is very hard. Use a drill bit that's suitable for porcelain tile to create the hole if you have porcelain tiles in your bathroom. Once the hole has been made through the tile, switch to a masonry bit to complete the hole in the floor. Work slowly and carefully when drilling holes into tiles to ensure that you don't crack the tiles. Have a look at our video on drilling holes into tiles for some really good tips. Secure the glass to the bracket. Now we'll cut the supporting pipe to fit this installation. Mark the position for the correct length of the pipe and cut it to size. Place the support bar into position, determine that it's level and mark the position against the wall. Now mark the position for the hole. Drill a hole through the tile and into the wall. Use tape on the bit to set your depth. Insert a wall plug and fit the bracket into position with the supplied screw. Insert the bar into the bracket and place the bracket on the glass side over the glass. Tighten the screws on the glass bracket and on the wall bracket. The final step is to apply silicone around the shower. Silicone should be applied to the outside of the shower only. If it's applied to the inside and outside, water can leak into the joint and become trapped, creating a perfect place for mold to grow, which may cause unpleasant smells and look unsightly. When you apply silicone to a section, wet your finger with water and smooth off the silicone. Because your finger has water on it, the silicone won't stick to your finger and you can wipe excess off quite easily. Now use a forming tool to shape the silicone and press it into the joint. Finally, run over the joint again with a wet finger to smooth everything off. This bathroom looks great. The job takes about an hour and is in the intermediate level of difficulty.